Hi, hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is Bhaskar Board. We are discussing 5th chapter quadratic equations from 10th class mathematics. So let us find the solutions of some of quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Find the roots of equation x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0 using the quadratic formula. Here the given quadratic equation is x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. So to use the quadratic formula, so let us first compare this quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So by comparing, we get a equals to, here a is x square coefficient which is equals to 1, so we get a equals to 1, and b equals to x coefficient, it is minus 10, so b equals to minus 10, and c equals to constant term, it is plus 9, so c equals to 9. So we get a is 1 and b is equals to minus 10, c is equal to 9. Now before going to use the quadratic formula, first we have to see whether the b square minus 4ac value is greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0. So if it is greater than or equal to 0, then only we get the real solutions. Otherwise, the given quadratic equation do not have real solutions. So let us first find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equals to, here what is b? It is minus 10. Minus 10 square minus 4 into a. A is what? 1. 4 into 1 into c. C value is 9. 4 into 1 into 9. So now minus 10 square equals to 100. Minus 4 into 1 into 9 equals to 36. So we get 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 equals to 64. And here 64 is a positive real number. So its value is greater than 0. So as we get b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. So we can use the quadratic formula to find the solution. So let us use the quadratic formula. That is x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now by substituting the values, we get minus, first we have minus b, write minus first, and b, so b value is what? Minus 10. So write minus 10 in the place of b, so we get minus into minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac value already we find, that is 64. So write 64 in the place of b square minus 4ac. So by writing we get square root of 64 by 2 into a value is 1, 2 into 1. So now minus into minus 10 will become plus 10 plus or minus square root of 64 will become 8. So we get 10 plus or minus 8 by 2 into 1 equals to 2. So now if we take the positive 8, we can write x as x equals to 10 plus 8 by 2, which is equals to 18 by 2. So 18 by 2 means 9. So x equals to 9. So we get the first solution as 9. And if we take negative 8, then we get x equals to 10 minus 8 by 2, which is equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1. So we get x equals to 1. So 9 and 1 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. So in this way, by using quadratic formula, we can find the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Let us see one more example. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 2 into root 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So here the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 2 into root 2 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So to use the quadratic formula, first we need to compare the given quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So by comparing, we get a equals to, so what is a value here? 2, and b equals to minus 2 into root 2, and c equals to 1. Now what we have to do after getting the values of a, b, c? First we have to check whether the b square minus 4ac value is greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than or equal to 0, then it has a real solution. Otherwise the given equation does not have real solutions. So let us find out the b square minus 4ac value first. B square minus 4ac equals to, let us substitute the values of a, b, c in b square minus 4ac. By substituting we get minus 2 into root 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1. Now by simplifying this, here minus 2 into root 2 whole square can be written as minus 2 square into root 2 square, and minus 4 into 1 into 2 equals to 8. And here minus 2 square equals to 4 into, and in square root 2 square, you can cancel square root first square, so we get 2. So we get 4 into 2 minus 8, and 4 into 2 equals to 8, 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So here we get the b square minus 4ac value as 0. So if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the given equation has real solutions. So let us find out those solutions using the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? It is x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if we substitute the corresponding values, we get minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of, here b square minus 4ac value equals to 0. So 0, square root of 0 by 2 into a value equals to 2 into 2. Now by simplifying this, we get minus of minus 2 root 2 will be equals to plus 2 root 2, 2 root 2 plus or minus square root of 0 is equals to 0 by 2 into 2 equals to 4. So we get 2 into root 2 plus or minus 0 by 2, and here if we add any number to 0, we get the same number as the result, and if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as the result. So here we can write this as 2 root 2 by 4. If we cancel 2 and 4, we get root 2 by 2. So we get x equals to root 2 by 2. Again, if you want to simplify this, we can write the denominator 2 as root 2 into root 2. So since root 2 into root 2 equals to 2, so we can write root 2 as root 2 into root 2. So by writing, we get root 2 by root 2 into root 2, and we can cancel square root 2 in the numerator and the denominator. So we get 1 by root 2 as the solution of the given equation. So here x equals to 1 by root 2 is the solution of the given equation. And here we get the only one solution. That means here the given equation has two equal roots that are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are the solutions of this equation. Now let us see one more example. Let us find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. So first what we have to do, we have to compare the given quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So by comparing, what are the values that we get as a, b, c? A equals to 1, b equals to 4, c equals to 5. So before going to use the quadratic formula, first we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. So let us find the value of b square minus 4ac. So by substituting the values of a, b, c in b square minus 4ac, we get b square equals to 4 square minus 4 into a value as 1, a value is 1, so 4 into 1 into c value is 5, 4 into 1 into 5. Now by simplifying this, we get 4 square equals to 16 minus 4 into 1 into 5, we get 20. So we get 16 minus 20. So by subtracting 20 from 60, we get minus 4. And here minus 4 is the negative value. That means it is less than 0. So here we get the b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. And we know that if b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, then the given quadratic equation do not have a real solutions. So hence in this situation, the given quadratic equation, that is x square plus 4x plus 5 equals to 0, do not have any real solutions. Now let us do first bit problems from exercise 5.3 using quadratic formula on your own. And this is all enough for today. Let us meet in our next video with the next two problems from exercise 5.2, 5.3. Till then, bye. Thank you.